Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can save your OpenTTD game. So from here we want to come up to the top here and press this floppy disk icon. If we hold down our mouse key you can see that it says save game, load game or abandon game. We want to obviously go ahead and press the saved game option. That will pause the game while this is open, and you can see here that the save game tab has opened. Now it does default here give it a name to begin with, so I'm currently playing as Pindworth Transport. Followed by the date. You can remove this and just give it any name you want. So for example, demo save, and press the save button to save your game. If you want to overwrite a previous save, you can actually just press any of those there. You can see it's popped up just there. If I press save, it is going to ask me if I am happy to overwrite the existing file. I can say yes or no. I'm going to just press no there to quickly go over some more stuff quickly. Do note that the saved file will go into your game files under the saved folder, and that if you do want to remove the save at any point, that is the only way that you can delete it, by actually going into the folder and removing it from here. You do have the option as well to filter by saves, order them by date and name, but that is how you save a game in OpenTTD. I hope that this tutorial has helped.